I highly, highly recommend cleaning your brewer in between every batch of tea. The reason being, you're growing a controlled population and species of microbials. As you grow those microbes, you need to make sure that they're in the most controlled environment possible for the littlest amount of variables. Clean, sterile environments are that. So one other big pro tip on keeping your tea brewer clean is not only obviously cleaning the tank inside and out, cleaning the pump, having an evacuation nozzle present. So if you need to just evacuate some of your tea real fast, you can do that. Lock it off from your system, clean your tubes and stuff up real fast.
You got so many bubbles on you.
But make sure you use the bubbles to clean. I put a little bit of bleach and a really nice organic friendly soap in here. And then one other pro tip is where you fill your tank, the auto feed line always gets dirty and people overlook it. So I put a quick little disconnect right here. That way I can pull out my auto feed line or manual feed line in this case, inspect it, clean it off really well, put it back in, and now I'm ensured that the entry point, even for my water, is not contaminated. Just clean this thing out. You gotta make sure your tea brewer is stupid clean every time you use it to get the best tea possible. That's gonna make your plants boom. One pro tip for keeping a brewer clean: immediately clean it after every brew. One big pro tip is having this evacuation nozzle here. Close off your irrigation line, open that up, open this up, drain out your tea brewer. Do you brew compost tea? If so, how do you do it? What do you do? What's your brewer look like? Are you doing air stones? Are you doing free fall agitation? Are you doing cyclonic and free fall? What are you doing? Let's hear it.